Hey guys, so today is an unboxing from TeckwrapHtv. Wow, they sent me heat transfer vinyl in white. So I have several of these. This is in black. The colors are very, look at this one, very beautiful and vibrant. Wow, look at this pink color. More heat transfer vinyl. This one is surface vinyl. Look at that pretty purple color. Red HTV. It's a really nice package. Ooh, this metallic pink. Y'all know I love me some pink. So I'll be making a project today using one of these vinyls. It's gonna be HTV. This metallic, look at this metallic. Wow, it's pretty. The one in gold. Mirror, gold mirror. One that I already opened. Already opened this one, yellow. That's HTV. This one is also surface vinyl, Begonia Rose. And they sent me some transfer tape for the surface vinyl. Oh, and this nice little bag. It's an iridescent bag. Let's see what contents are inside. So we have here, oh, we have a tweezer. This is a rainbow tweezer, guys. Looks like that. That's beautiful. Oh, it's a weeding tool. See the very sharp mermaid weeding tool. And we have a varnisher. And it has TeckwrapHtv on it. So stay tuned for the video. Okay, so today I'll be putting my zodiac sign on this cute little tote bag. So I'll go in Cricut Design Space. I choose the image that I want. I let Cricut cut it. I'm using my Maker 3 along with my mat. Don't forget to turn on mirror when you're using HTV, y'all. That means shiny side down. Now I'm going to be using this beautiful, bold, hot pink HTV. And make sure you keep the TeckwrapHtv label as a guide. It has different machines and the temperatures, time, and pill as a guide. So here I am prepping the mat with my HTV, shiny side down. Always remember that, y'all. Putting it in the machine for it to get cut. I love the fact that TeckwrapHtv vinyl cuts evenly and smooth. It's not thick and bulky, and it has a very easy peel. I love that about TeckwrapHtv. I'm peeling the mat away from my vinyl. And now I'm cutting out the image. So I begin to lay the vinyl back onto the mat, and I'm using my TeckwrapHtv tools, varnishing the vinyl back onto the mat. This is how I'm prepping to weed it, and I'm using my weeding mermaid tool pen. I think it's so adorable. It's very sharp, so you have to be careful. And I decided to use my rainbow tweezers to weed the vinyl. And look how clean and easy this peel is. This is a really good vinyl. I really am satisfied with this vinyl. Look at that. So this is what it looks like. Look how sharp and clean that cut was. Here I'm inserting the protective pad and prepping the tote to get ready to be pressed with the heat transfer vinyl. And I'm making sure that I put it right where I want it to be. And I'm pressing firmly until I see the vinyl adhering to the material, the fabric. I let it cool for a few because this is a cool peel. And look how vibrant that pink is. Look how it's peeling away and nothing is lifting. Everything is there. I'm loving my new tote. Thanks to TeckwrapHtv, you can use my link in the description bar to receive a discount off.